A high-level delegation of the All India Chakma Student Union has intensified its pursuit of justice for late Anjel Chakma throughout a 4-day visit to the state of Tripura. The delegation was led by AICSU National President Dango Dareshamuri Chakma and Senior Vice President Dango Bipul Chakma. Upon their arrival at the Agartala airport, they were received by the Tripura Chakma Student Union, following which they visited Anjel Chakma parental residence in Agartala and Masmara to meet the grieving family and express solidarity. During the visit, the AICSU leadership met the Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, Professor Dr. Manik Saha, and briefed him on what they term as serious lapse in the investigations of the murder case. The union placed strong demand before the Chief Minister, including a CBI investigation, transfer of trial to Delhi, immediate arrest of the remaining accused, adequate compensations to the brave family, and a government job for Anjel Chakma's younger brother. The delegations also held discussion with the Honorable MLA Dango Sambulal Chakma at his residence in Manikpur, Talai district, where issues concerning student youth and the broader Chakma society were delivered. A major coordination meeting was later organized at Masmara, attended by the leaders of the Tripura Chakma Student Union, Lon MDC, Dango Bimal Kanti Chakma, and representatives of the Tripura Chakma Rajya Parishad. During the meeting, the AICSU president briefed participation on the current status of the Anjel Chakma case, followed by the detailed discussion on the future strategy and strengthening collective effort to ensure justice. The delegation also paid a courtesy visit to Honorable Cabinet Minister Dango Santana Chakma, during which matters related to the youth developments, student welfare, and social issues were discussed. Reaffirming its commitment, AICSU declared that the fight for justice for Anjel Chakma will continue until full accountability is ensured. The organization stressed that justice for Anjel Chakma is not only a family demand, but a collective call for dignity, equality, and rule of law. Chakma Time News will continue to closely follow this case and bring you verified updates. Thank you for listening to the Chakma Time News. Fat True.